Hello there, Lisa. Lisa, the birthday girl. Oh, yes. Penblwydd hapus I chi, penblwydd hapus I chi, penblwydd hapus Anwyl Lisa, penblwydd hapus I chi. Penblwydd hapus I chi, Lisa. Have a wonderful birthday, won't you, Cariad? I bet it's going to be one of the best birthdays ever. Oh, yes. Now, this message comes to you with a huge amounts of best birthday wishes from William. Yes, William is the one responsible. So you've got William's best wishes. You've certainly got my best wishes. Make sure you have an excellent birthday. Penblwydd hapus I chi.